Hey guys, it's Pandas Data Diaries again. Today I want to show you how to display a partial running total based on a line chart. First of all, I'm going to do a running total based on this demo data set here, Superstore. You all would know it, I guess. So let's go in here and do a quick table calculation and choose the running total. So far so good. This is pretty straightforward. But how can I only show a certain subsection of the data? For example, I only want to show the data for the year 2016. So I don't want to start at 0 for the year 2016. I want to show the same data, but I want to cut off all of the rest. So how do I do this? And it's not that straightforward as you might think. So first of all, I need to create a calculated field. Okay, we'll give it a nice descriptive name, is in year 2016, and then I will use an if statement here. So if the order date, which is our date field, is in 2016, so equals 2016, and to only check for the year, I need to use the date part function and say year, close the parentheses here, and then just return the order date and end it to make it valid calculation. So the calculation is valid, let's apply it. And here I have the new calculated field. I can just drag it onto colors, for example. And here you will see an issue. So it splits the graph now. We have two graphs, one for 2016 and the other for the rest. But we don't want that because the calculation is starting from 0 over here, just for the year 2016. So how do I do this? I just have to change the calculation a little bit. So I will modify this, edit. Here's a nice little hack. I can use the attribute function, attr, and wrap everything into this function. And this will consolidate everything and just return one data point. So if I click OK, and first of all, it's breaking now because it doesn't cannot work with this calculation anymore. So if I now drag in the modified version of the calculated field, I should get something else. And as you see, now it is actually highlighting the data within the existing line chart. And now I can just do a little trick. I can just say I want to only keep the data for this section, or I can hide the data for the other section. So just no. So let's just right click here and let's say hide the data. And now you see it only displays the data for the year 2016. Actually, this might not be the best way to do it, but after spending a lot of time trying to find a better approach, I didn't find anything, so I just came up with this workaround. In case you know a better way, please let me know in the comments. Okay, that was it for today. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon on my channel.